Hola, I'm Daisy Martinez for ehow.com. Today I'm going to turn you on to the best Pisco Sour recipe in the world. There's a long controversy. Who makes the best Pisco Sour, Peru or Chile? I've had them in both countries and I have to say I'm a little biased. Chile wins. I'm going to be making my take on Pisco Sour today, taught to me by the fabulous, well, she's my friend's mom. Her name is Victoria, but in Chile, any woman who is fabulous, her name gets preceded by a la. So she is La Vicky. So La Vicky's Pisco Sour recipe. I have a half a cup of Pisco. And again, there's Pisco from Chile and Pisco from Peru. I'm going to do about a third a cup of lime juice. And I'm going to do about half a tablespoon of superfine sugar. Now, here's how my Pisco Sour differs from everybody else's. I have an egg white here. I'm going to add about half that egg white because I'm only making 2 drinks. So about half that egg white from a large egg. And you could actually let this sit for a while. A lot of times you'll taste a Pisco Sour that tastes eggy. People are like, this smells and tastes like egg. And you kind of don't want that in your drink. So you stir this around so the sugar melts and the alcohol in the Pisco and the lime juice kind of like break down the egg white to get rid of that flavor. And then we're going to add some ice. Again, you can go ahead and make this an hour or 2 before your guests arrive. You might wonder why you're going to put egg whites in a cocktail. This is what makes the Pisco Sour so beautiful. Once we finish processing the drink, there's going to be a beautiful white foam, a froth almost, on top of the drink that makes it really, really spectacular. Okay, let's see what that looks like. Oof, it's looking like a party all up in here. Pisco Sours, baby. This is Daisy Martinez, and I'm having a party at ehow.com.